Tired of that endless soul-crushing scroll through job boards? Of sending 100 resumes into the void and still watching your bank account stagnate or shrink? This isn't another pep talk. This is a battle plan, a blueprint forged in reality. How a real man builds income without letting ego destroy his progress. Ready to stop talking and start building. To earn respect, starting with your own and real money. You grind all day. You juggle side gigs, chase that crypto tip, buy that dropshipping course you never finished. You try to be a jack of all trades, but you end up a master of none. And the result is always the same, exhausted and broke. The problem isn't your work ethic, it's your focus. Distractions, the self-doubt whispering in your ear, and chasing approval from others are draining your energy like a slow, constant leak. Today, we plug those holes. For good. In the next few minutes, you'll get the exact framework. 5 core steps to launch your first income stream in 30 days. 3 advanced principles to scale, protect, and multiply your earnings. No fluff, no gurus, no empty promises. Just a map, just results. Analysis paralysis is ego disguised as strategy. Stop trying to do everything. Zero in on one high-demand skill. Choose based on what are businesses paying for? What are you mildly interested in? What can you get good at in 30 days? Days 1 to 40. Learn. Days 15 to 30. Build. Show proof you can deliver something worth $50, $150. Kings own their mornings. 5 a.m. alarm, no distractions. 90 minutes of silent output. Practice, plan, pitch. While the world sleeps, you build. 3 weeks of this and you outpace average workers by miles. Forget perfect. Build a Trojan horse offer, something tiny, valuable, and fast. Send 20 targeted pitches. Most will ignore you. That's fine. 2 yeses prove your value and kill your fear. Every dollar you earn is a seed. Plant it in yourself. Courses, books, software. Upgrade your value. Raise your rates. Compound your skills like wealth. Friday night. War room time. What worked? What didn't? What's next? This turns chaos into a system. Sleep isn't passive. It's your power source. Protect it. 7-8 hours. No screens. Cold, dark room. Focus and decision-making come from rest, not caffeine. You rise by lifting others. Join a real community. Offer help. Be valuable. Kings recognize kings. One solid connection can change everything. When your first stream is stable, don't get lazy. Build another. Sell a product. Start a newsletter. Recommend tools. Safety comes from having options. 90 days. That's all it takes. A skill. A plan. Focused mornings. Weekly reviews. And a commitment to protect your kingdom. Most won't. You will. Your blueprint is here. Now go build. The blueprint is in your hands, but a map is useless if it stays in the drawer. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, starts now. Not tomorrow. Now. Open a new tab. Search. High Demand Freelance Skills 2024. Spend 15 minutes just reading. That's it. Take the first step. In the comments below, write the one skill you will commit to for the next 30 days. Let's hold each other accountable. The journey begins with a single decision. Make yours.